domain and range. We are going to talk about the domain and range. This class is for review before to start calculus. All right, so we have two problems right here to show you where is the domain or where is the range. How find the domain in this graph, how find the range in the graph. For example, in the first one, what is the domain? What is the domain? You have the graph. See the graph. We are able to write some ideas, some answer. Could be a domain here. Let's write some answer. This here, possible answer, all real numbers. Could be all right numbers. This could be one answer. The second one could be here, see right here, could be x such as x less or equals than 0. This is another possible answer. This is another possible answer. Another one could be x such as x greater or equals than 1. All right, that could be another one. Another one could be x such as x is here greater or equals than 0, right? 0, yeah. Less than 0, greater or equals than 1, greater or equals than 0. What do you think? What do you think is the right answer for this, for the first graph about domain? What is the domain? So see the numbers, see how spread the graph. For example, this side to the right side, you see domain. The domain is in the domain of a function is a set of all possible values, all possible x values. All right, the domain is a set of numbers of all possible x values. I mean, all possible x values. So then, what do you think? What is the domain? The first one, you have this one, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So the right answer here is the first one. Why? Because you see here all it says the domain. The domain is the function is a set of all possible x values. So look at this. Look at this, and to the right, to the left. So then the right answer is all real numbers. Okay, all real numbers. This is the right answer. This is the true answer for show the domain in the first graph. What about the second graph? The second graph, we have some data here. You are able to see the graph here. For example, it's a 0, 0,0. Okay, that's the graph right here. So this point is 10, 3. You have another point right here, 4, 2. But the question here is, what is the range? And then what is the range in this graph? The range of a function is the set of all possible y values. In this case, the domain is the set of all possible x values. Range, and the range is the all possible y values. So we are talking about the y values. Here x values, here y values. Then let's see some possible answer. Let me write some possible answer. For example, could be y such as y, for example, greater than 1. Greater than 1. See? Because look at this, look at the data. So that could be a one possible answer. Another one could be, let me use a different color because we don't have enough space here. So y such as y, greater or equals than 1. I'm looking for this number. Okay, see? You're asking you. So the next one, the next possible answer for this question, what is the range? Could be the third one could be y such as y greater than 0, right? Greater or equals than 0. Let's see. Greater or equals than 0. That could be another answer, no? So we have another one possible answer. Let me write 4 possible answers. Okay, the last one could be y such as y greater than 0. Okay, what do you think? We have number 1 here, number 2 here, number 3, and number 4. So which one do you think is the best answer for this graph to show the range? Remember the range again. The function, the range of a function is the set of all y values. So in which side it says, in which side it is the graph, it's in the up of x. But what is the right answer? What do you think? Okay, the right answer, the right one, look at this. Look at this. Here. 0, 0, right? So then the right answer, look at the graph right here, all the way right here. So we are talking about all this side, upside. So it is the third one. The third one, I think, is the right answer. This one is the best one. This is the right answer. Here you have the right answer. This is the range. Y such y is equals, or this is greater or equals than 0 right here, right? Y such y greater or equals than 0 from here. Then we are talking about all this area, all this area, because that's the range. Remember, in algebra or algebra 2, you study this kind of problems, domain and range. So this is the range. This is the answer for this question. What is the range of this function? Okay, the range of a function is all possible values, all possible y values. The domain from a function is all possible x values. All right.